morning. And Father Biel and I greet our Chinese brothers and sisters, our Chinoys and Chinays, a happy Lunar New Year. Kong Hei Fat Choi. The year that has begun is called the Year of the Snake. And I see the parallelism, the similarity between the snake and the seed. We heard the gospel, a long gospel, about the sower sowing seeds, the seed and the snake. What is common to them? Transformation. They are transformed. The snake shed its skin. Nagpapalit ng balat. Kaya kapag nagpalit ng balat ang snake, bago na naman ang kanyang balat. That is transformative. And the seed, for it to grow, it has to crack its shell. Sabi nga ng Panginoon, unless the seed falls on the ground and dies, it will not bear fruit. So when the seed falls on the soil, on the ground, it cracks the shell, its shell, and it transforms into something that is life. Nabubuhay ang binhi mula sa kanyang pagkamatay. I think that is the challenge of every new year. Because every new year is a new beginning. Just like the day, we have begun a new day, another day. We woke up this morning and we are being given by the Lord another chance, another opportunity. Some did not wake up anymore. That was their end. But we are here, alive, kicking, able to go to the cathedral to attend Mass. Every day is a new beginning, and a new beginning is another opportunity. Every year, another year is a new beginning. The Chinese began their new year at midnight, last night. And a new year is a new beginning. But a new beginning to what? Panibagong simula para saan? Para sa pagbabago. Just like the snake that changes or sheds its skin to begin a new life, a new dress in a way. So also are we. My dear sisters and brothers, let us be snakes. Alam nyo, medyo hindi lang maganda ang perception natin sa snake. Pinapatay natin ang ahas pag nakikita natin, no? Kasi nga, sabi nga ng iba, taksil ang ahas. Pero may itinuturo sa atin ng ahas. Sa kanya, ipinakikita sa atin ang kakayanang magpalit ng balat, ang kakayanang magbago, ang kakayanang magsimula muli. Just like the snake, just like the seed, we are called to transformation, to become new again. Kaya wag po tayong matakot na magpalit ng balat. Ano ba yung mga old skin na dapat nating alisin? Ano ba yung mga old skin na dapat nating palitan? Ano ba yung ugali na dapat nating baguhin? Ano ba yung mga ugali na dapat nating simulan? At katulad ng binhi, huwag tayong matakot na mamatay, mabiyak, sapagkat sa pamamagitan lamang ng pagkamatay at pagkabiyak, only when the seed cracks its shells that it will become new life. transformation. A new year, a new beginning to become better versions of ourselves. And finally, let me say, to our Chinese brethren, it is the year of the snake. But for us Christians, it is and will always be the year of the Lord. Amen.